So I uploaded an AI-generated track to DistroKid last week. Rejected. Instantly. And honestly, I'm not alone. Spotify pulled over 75 million AI tracks in 2025. The crackdown is massive, and it's only getting worse in 2026. And it's not just Spotify. DistroKid's internal scanner catches about 89% of unprocessed AI tracks. Apple Music's human review team, 94% accurate. CD Baby just flat out rejects everything, zero exceptions. But here's the thing. AI music isn't actually banned. DistroKid allows it. The problem is raw output from Suno or Udio. It's got fingerprints all over it that these detection systems spot immediately. So what exactly are these fingerprints? There are 4. Spectral artifacts. Weird frequency patterns in the 8 to 16 kilohertz range. Unnaturally perfect timing. Metadata buried in the file headers. And the new one, C2PA provenance signatures baked right into the file. Now DistroKid's scanner checks all 4 of those vectors. And even if your track somehow passes their review, Spotify and Apple Music run their own detection. Your track can get pulled weeks after going live. That's the scary part. Think of it this way. A human performance has tiny imperfections. Slightly off timing, dynamic variation, natural breath. AI audio is too perfect, too consistent, and detection algorithms see that difference like a neon sign. So what's the fix? It's called Undetectr.com. And yeah, it literally takes 30 seconds. Here's the whole process. You go to Undetectr.com, upload your track, WAV or MP3, doesn't matter. Hit process. Wait about 15 to 30 seconds. Download the cleaned file. Then upload that to DistroKid instead of the raw output. Done. What it actually does, under the hood, it strips those spectral artifacts, normalizes the temporal patterns, removes the metadata fingerprints, and kills the C2PA signatures. All without degrading audio quality. The output sounds identical, but to a detection system, it looks human. Pricing. 3 tiers. Starter is $9.99 a month for 10 tracks. Pro, the most popular, is $14.99 a month for 50 tracks. And Unlimited is $29.99 a month for, well, unlimited. Your first track is free, by the way, so you can test it before you commit. Now for context, DistroKid is $22.99 a year. Add Undetectr Pro, and you're at about $203 a year total. That's your entire distribution stack. Compare that to a label deal where they're taking 80 or 85% of your revenue. Not even close. All right, let me walk you through the complete workflow, start to finish. Everything you need to get your AI track live on Spotify in 2026. Step 1. Create your track. Suno, Udio, whatever you prefer, but make sure you're on a paid plan that gives you commercial rights. Suno Pro is $10 a month for 500 songs. Udio Standard is also $10. If you're doing serious volume, Suno Premier at $30 gets you 2,000 songs a month. Step 2. Head to undetectr.com/upload. Drop your track in. Processing takes 15 to 30 seconds depending on the file size. Download the cleaned version. That's your distribution-ready file. Step 3. Prep your release. You need cover art, at least 1400 by 1400 pixels, but 3000 by 3000 is better. Get your track title, artist name, and metadata sorted. Don't worry about ISRC codes. DistroKid generates those automatically. Step 4. Log in to DistroKid. Upload the processed file, not the raw AI output, the cleaned one. And this is important. Check the AI-generated content checkbox. Be honest. Disclosure is mandatory now. Select your stores. Hit Submit. Step 5. Wait. DistroKid usually delivers to stores in 1 to 3 business days. If it's your first release on Spotify, give it up to 5 days. Then you're live. Your AI track on all the major platforms. Now here's a question I get constantly. If Undetectr removes the artifacts, why bother checking the AI checkbox? Great question. And the answer matters. Disclosure is about legal compliance, not detection. Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, they all require you to declare AI involvement in 2026. Undetectr handles the technical side, the artifacts, but you still need to be transparent about how the music was made. A disclosed, artifact-free track stays live. That's the winning combination. But if you skip disclosure and upload raw AI audio, double penalty. You get caught by detection and you've violated the rules. That can get you banned. Not just rejected, banned. So always check the box. And what about other distributors? TuneCore runs the same type of scans. Same process works. Undetectr plus honest disclosure. Amuse is similar to DistroKid. United Masters requires disclosure and runs detection. But CD Baby? They reject 100% of AI content. Period. No workaround. If you're making AI music, use DistroKid or TuneCore instead. All right, let's talk money. Because none of this matters if you can't actually earn from it. What are the real numbers? Spotify pays between $0.003 and $0.005 per stream. So 1,000 streams gets you $3 to $5. 10,000? $30 to $50. To hit $1,000 a month, you need about 250,000 streams monthly. That sounds like a lot. And for one track? It is. But here's where the math gets interesting. The strategy isn't one viral hit. It's volume. Suno generates tracks in minutes. Undetectr processes them in seconds. Build a catalog of 50 to 100 tracks. Even if each one averages just 1,000 streams a month, that's $150 to $500 a month in passive income. And it compounds. Now before you go upload 50 tracks tonight, let me save you some pain. These are the mistakes I see creators make constantly, and some of them will get you banned. Mistake 1, uploading raw AI output. Just don't. Always process through Undetectr first. Mistake 2, not checking the AI checkbox. I know it feels counterintuitive, but dishonesty doesn't just get you rejected, it gets you banned. And that's permanent. Mistake 3, voice cloning real artists. That's an instant rejection, plus potential legal action. Don't do it. Mistake 4, mass uploading hundreds of tracks at once. That triggers spam detection. Space your releases out, a few per week, not 50 in one night. And 2 more that people miss. Using the same metadata patterns across all your tracks, same artist name, same genre, same release schedule. That's a red flag. Vary it. Also, low effort or AI-generated cover art can trigger manual review. Put a little effort into your visuals. So here's the bottom line. The AI music market hit $3.2 billion in 2026, growing 28% year over year. This isn't a fad, it's an industry, and the tools to participate legally and profitably already exist. Your total cost? Suno Pro at $10 a month, Undetectr Pro at $14.99, DistroKid at $22.99 a year. We're talking about $27 a month for the entire stack, creation, processing, and distribution to every major platform. That's nothing. DistroKid rejecting your track isn't the end. It's a 30-second fix. Process through Undetectr, upload the clean file, check the AI checkbox, and your music goes live. Head to undetectr.com/pricing. Your first track is free. Try it, hear the result yourself, and if you found this useful, subscribe for more AI tool reviews.